All right, we're down here in Annapolis. Rudy, what's going on with you? What's happening over there at Mr. Mike's house? A lot of things were cut up today?
Yeah.
So we'll get by there Monday?
The landscaper guys are still working.
Yep, so we'll get by there.
Yeah.
See, a lot of pavers are down, more pavers going.
Yeah.
Then they're gonna asphalt the rest of it.
We already cut it. He said we already cut it off for the old asphalt, and they put a new one.
Gotcha. All right, so we wanna do this lower roof route.
Yeah.
Columns, 3 columns, front columns. Let's not do the back one because that's that house, right? So we'll do these columns, wrap them. Minis, C7's there. What do you think of C7's there?
We already put the C7, but the letter is not which either.
Okay.
It's more letter, I don't know.
Okay, well, let's just do this lower. Let's do the lower roof. Let's do these.
Yeah, the orange letter is not enough.
Unless you can come off the back. Let's take a look. So let's do, here we want to swag the front.
Yeah, the 3.
Yep, swag it with the minis. Let's do that.
Multi? Or
I think multis would be fine.
candy cane?
What do you have with you?
So I grabbed the candy cane in case.
And you got power right here, Root. So you got a power source right here.
An outlet? Yeah.
You got an outlet there.
Sticking up the wire.
Yeah. You can run right up there.
Yeah.
What I would do is put it up against here, tie it off up there so it's tight, you know, then have it come down, and then put something here when you bury it with a rock just to hold it.
Yeah.
You know, so it's running it up.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
Why
Just
wire? We don't see it.
Yeah, it'll be fine for 6 weeks. We really should do something up there though. If we could get up there, that'd be cool. You know?
Did we grab a wreath this morning?
Did you grab a wreath?
Oh no. No, because we don't stop in the Home Depot coming in straight.
What do we want to do? We have 48s at the shop, but they're just plain.
We can put lights in it.
Yeah.
But how you gonna get up there and put a wreath there? You can't bend up that metal roof.
No, we can go in the middle roof.
The wreath will look good though.
And maybe we are if we can go up top, but
No. I really don't want you on that top roof, man. That roof is up there, dude.
yeah, in the middle.
I don't think that's necessary, you know? Well, we can run down and get you one in a couple of minutes. You want to run down? We'll run down and get you one and bring you back too. Okay? All right, we'll be back in a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? All right, we'll see you guys.
Okay.
We're on a job site installing, rehanging Christmas lights here in Annapolis. Let's take a look what the boys got going on here. Got the wreath up. Got C7s on the roof, on the roof, tongue tied there, and got some lights straight down here, little candy cane. Then we got some warm minis wrapped in the garland. That already looks nice. Got the garland going up the front steps here. That looks sharp. Getting her done. Getting her done, sir.
Always looks good. All the garland.
Huh?
Warm white, right? With a little bit of candy cane.
Yeah, candy cane hanging down like icicles. Always looks good. Take a look at how this pier is holding up. Yeah, we had to replace, I think that was one of them.
One.
Down here.
Yeah, we passed one.
New.
After that white box on the left.
Okay.
When did we move these from the outside?
Huh?
When did we move this one to the outside? I thought they were always shooting in.
Trying to remember. Yeah. This is the one that Nordian lady just switched.
Yeah, soldered up the insides.
Yep.
Swapped the guts.
Yep. Swapped it out. Had a bad diode board in it, remember?
Yeah.
We strung all that last year, all new. We used C7 stringer. Looks real good. Tree's looking good out there.
Only one line is up.
Was it one out? I didn't notice. I was out there looking at it, but it looked good. Remember last year we put all that new stringer in, remember? That was a lot of work last year.
Close 1,000.
Yeah, it was 890 or 950 or something. Dude, you're right. Yep. Remember? It's a lot. Looks good though.
Put something on the little button.
Yeah, we can.
Which I don't remember which one. I don't know. This one or the...
No, there was one out here. I don't know. The storm ate that one up. Remember? There was a wooden one out here. Michelle had out here. I don't see it here no more. But remember, there was a wooden one she had, remember? I think the storm ate it up. But you can do one if you want. I don't know if I would do that one or not. You want to do that one there? Put some light in it? I don't know if I want to do this one or not, because you don't want it to end up in the bay, you know, from a storm wilder. So why don't we do that one? That might be safer. You just got to make sure it doesn't get airborne and end up in the bay. You might want to tie it down. What do you think?
I think so.
Wrap something with
There you go. Then it's not going nowhere. Just for safety, you know? Probably won't move, but you don't want to take a chance of that getting airborne and going out in the bay. Once it gets in the bay, it's gone.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's go get that wreath for Rudy. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.